Guys, welcome to part 2 of my kayak camping gear, and in this video we're going to go over my dry bag, but it's really not a dry bag. So if you haven't seen part 1 of my kayak camping gear, I'll leave a link in the description. I'll also leave a link in the description of our Manistee River kayaking trip. So this is the bag that I used. Stored it nice and convenient back here. Had these bungee straps to keep it down, and also kept a carabiner on it, so if I did tip, it wouldn't separate from the kayak. So let's get into this thing. So this is not a true dry bag. This is a compression sack from Bass Pro Shops, and what I've done to modify it is I have taken and placed a 55-gallon drum liner in here. It hasn't been truly tested to be waterproof. It was the best option that I had. This material is water resistant, and this is a heavy-duty mill trash bag. So let's get this on the tarp. I'll lay everything out on the tarp and go through item by item. Alright guys, first thing you notice is my Walmart tarp. I use this a lot as a ground mat to put my gear on so it don't get misplaced. Put it down underneath my hammock, put my gear on that, and sit on it when I cook dinner. So we'll go through this. First thing is my Grand Trunk Skeeter Beater hammock. Got this from Nature Calls, Bruce. Love this thing. My webbing were these Eno Atlas straps. This is just a duct tape case for my tent spikes. The bag for my tarp. My Nature Calls 10x10 tarp. And then this thing I really enjoyed was the double black diamond. It's a 700 fill down quilt. This is my military whoopee poncho liner. Then as for my clothes, I have just a shirt, pair of pants, and an insulated top. Then these last two items in this dry bag, all the contents in this dry bag I had in a Ziploc baggie also for double protection. My headlamp, my Lux Pro flashlight, I had my charger, my toiletry kit, and my repair kit. And just added to this repair kit is some tenacious tape. Last on the list is my cook system, and this trip I used the larger Max, Coleman Max. We have a bandana here, and then on the nested in the inside I had my stainless steel cup, my MSR folding spork, windscreen, and the stove I used was this cat food can, tomato paste can with carbon felt I got from Hangs with Raccoons. And then also on the inside I had a few alcohol bottles, and everything just nests right in there. So guys, as you can see, just very basic, simple gear. My hammock and shelter setup, my bedding, my cook kit, and then some electronics and some spare clothes. I didn't bring any type of chopping blade. I didn't bring any type of saw or hatchet. Other people in our group had some hatchets, but there was plenty of wood on the ground to burn for firewood. Just didn't really need the extra equipment. Well guys, I hope you guys enjoyed part 2 of my kayak camping gear. I'm going to have one more video and I'll just place everything in the kayak of how I had it, and a few extra items that hadn't been shown here, how I set up my cooler and everything. Just a total setup. Alright guys, till the next time,